Hello everyone. So now I'm going to talk to you guys about how to keep your eBay account in good standing. There's only two variables that eBay looks at that will put your account below standard and one, remove your ability to get limit increases, and two, eventually lead to you no longer being able to sell on eBay. Those two variables are your transaction defect rate, aka out of stock sales, and cases being closed without seller resolution. Okay? So as long as you never admit that you're out of stock, and as long as you always close the case before the buyer escalates it to eBay, then you're bueno. There's a bunch of other variables that we'll go over, like your shipment rate, cases closed without seller resolution, and transaction and sales. The only two that matter are the cases closed without seller resolution and your out of stock sales. Okay? It's okay to have out of stocks, but it's not okay to cancel them and claim that you're out of stock. That is going to lead to a transaction defect, and you can't have too many of them. Like 2%, right? That means that you can't have more than 2 out of every 100 orders. That's sad. Kind of sucks, right? Imagine that you just started and you have like 10 sales and 2 of them are out of stock. That means that your transaction defect rate is like 80%. It has to be 98% or above. So never ever admit that you're out of stock. Really, really, really important. As long as you do that, everything's going to be okay. So now that we've determined that, let's talk a little bit about cases closed without seller resolution. So in order to understand this, you're going to have to look at the sections about item not received cases, because that's really the only one that matters. That and return cases. Those are the two cases that can be opened against you in eBay. Okay? An item not received case can always be won if you have a tracking number that shows delivery to the buyer's zip code. It doesn't matter if it was for a completely different item. As long as you have that tracking number, eBay will close the case in your favor. Or say that you don't, you can always just refund the buyer and you'll win the case. A refund will always close a case in your favor. So that's always like, if you have a feeling the buyer's gonna like raise the case against you and that they might actually win, refund them. Because then they can't hurt you if you've given them their money back, okay? So let's talk about late shipment rate. My late shipment rate isn't the best. It's actually kind of close here. This is how often your items get shipped within your actual handling time. And keep in mind that say that you ship an item, but you never you don't upload the tracking number till a week after the item gets received. As long as the tracking number shows that your item was shipped on time, the case isn't going to count against your late shipment rate, which is interesting. Then we have this, which we talked about earlier. And now you can see mine's pretty bad here. Your tracking uploaded on time and validated. This is separate from your actual shipment rate, because this is how quickly you actually upload your tracking number, right? So I have a tendency to not upload them very quickly because eBay doesn't really care about it. If you're trying to be a top-rated seller, they do care. But even if this number was 2%, I wouldn't be in trouble with eBay. It might come up in some phone calls with them when I'm trying to get limit increases, but my account's going to be fine and I'm going to be able to keep selling things, because this is not one of the two variables that they look at when it comes to your account standing, okay? So aside from that, we have our transactions and sales, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so you guys now understand the two things that matter. One is cases being closed without seller resolution. The two kinds of cases this can be is a return case or an item not received case. Keep in mind, you can always close a case if you refund the buyer. Don't let this stuff go without doing anything about it. Normally, when a case is opened, you have a period of time to respond. The case will be closed without seller resolution if you fail to respond within that period of time. Do not let that happen, okay? That is the biggest mistake you can make drop shipping is to let cases close without you resolving them or to claim out of stock, okay? Those are the only two things that really matter. And as long as you don't do either of those two things, which is pretty easy to, like, see, my transaction defect rate is 0, and I have like thousands of transactions. Well, I mean, it's only looking at like 30 days or 90 days or something, so it's not showing all of them. But anyway, now you guys understand how to keep your account above standard. There's only 2 things that you need to know for this, all right? And I'll do the next video about top-rated seller so you can understand a little bit more about that. But it's not really that important as a drop shipper because it's really hard to maintain, okay? See you guys. Ciao.